Hello everyone. Today we'll integrate PostHog for web analytics in one of my websites. It's a great alternative to Google Analytics. You all might have already be using Google Analytics, but it doesn't work when you look for some when your site grows and you look for some other data points to analyze user behaviors. You might see the numbers, you see like where they are coming from, which all pages they are in, but when you need to analyze the user behavior, you actually don't get it through directly through this. Uh, for that, this PostHog, it's a very good service which we can utilize. They have a lot of features like web analytics similar to Google Analytics, right? We'll be getting data like visitors, page views, how many sessions are open, average sessions, etc. All those which you get from Google Analytics. One of the great feature which I admire is this session replays. You can actually replay your users sessions, like I'm clicking here, then let's say I click this particular button, then I did something. You can actually see all those things in action. It will give a lot of insights regarding how your users are using your product. And for in-depth product analysis, they also provide product analytics. Okay, now let's get started. So I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, they'll ask for some gain questions. I'll choose maybe not this. I'll choose everything. Okay, that's fine. And my website is in Next.js, so I'll use this. Okay, so since I am using app router, I'll create this providers.txt. Okay, I think not this one. Okay, providers.tx, I think tsx. Okay, let me rerun the server. Let me try. Okay, let me click. That's fine. Click on features, some other places. Click this one. Let's see if there are any events. No events. Okay, I have to do this, and then afterwards import PostHog provider component in your app layout.txt file and wrap. Oh, okay. Let me do this again. So I need to integrate it in layout. Nice. There are already a lot of things here. Let me see how I can do it. So this is PostHog, right? So instead of Google, I'll integrate it with PostHog. Okay, let's see. So root layout, I just need to have this one. Remove this, and instead of Google, I'll integrate inside PostHog provider. Fine. Remove this. Okay, and then do this. Will it work? No? Okay, yes. Now it should work. Let's see. Let me reload it. Click on it. We'll see features. Let's see here. No? Why? Nothing. Let me see if there are any requests going on. from, what is this request? Okay, so I think we are making some request to PostHog, but we are getting, what's the issue? We are getting blocked. Interesting. Let me check this. Okay, I think I figured it out. I think this is being blocked because of Brave, so ad blocker. So I'll just disable it, and let's see. It will reload, restart. Okay, let me click. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think we are getting the events here. I think that's good. Let's continue. I think there are a lot of options. You can enable and disable heat maps, vital auto captures, enable session recordings. I'll enable everything for now. Okay, link manage data warehouses. I don't have any, so I won't. Self-managed, I'll skip it for now. Okay, and pay as you go. One project, 1 year data retention, community support. I think I'll go with, for now, free. Okay, invite teammates. I don't need to. I think I can skip, right? I think it's optional, I believe. Nothing else, will finish it out. Okay, I think we are on the page. We couldn't load our feature flag. This could be due to the presence of ad blockers running in your browser. Oops. Yes. So let's say I'll remove it. Yeah, I think the issue is gone now. Okay. So there are a lot of things we get on their websites. Okay, let's see like if you can have any session replays. Okay, recordings might be outside the retention period and ad blockers might be preventing recordings. Okay, that's fine. I'll do one thing, I'll open it in Safari and we'll see. Safari might also block, but let's see. Okay, you can see it. Okay, I clicked here. Okay, yes, now it's happening good. Let me check this if we get any. Okay, I think looks like it worked. See this? Actually showing me what the user is actually doing. So I clicked all these things and it is able to actually capture everything. So that's really nice feature they do provide. You can actually monitor users activity and see what they are doing on your platform. And they have a lot of other different features like let's see this one, web analytics shows 2 visitors. I visited from to Safari and Brave. And page views, it shows India and a lot of other matrix. You can actually go through it and analyze it, like this one, Chrome, Safari, and okay, see referring domains. It even shows you like if from which domains users are actually coming from. So it's really good. I think I'll deploy this now. Obviously we'll make some changes, and yeah, I hope you found it useful and you can use it and see what all you can gather from these insights. Thank you.